Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Solution Architect PL-600. You can download the complete list of Microsoft-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on PL-600 is: what are the key considerations for designing Power BI datasets optimized for performance and scalability? Your answer should be designing efficient data models with appropriate granularity, optimizing data loading and refresh strategies, utilizing query folding and partitioning, and leveraging direct query or import mode based on data volume and complexity ensures performance and scalability in Power BI datasets. Our next interview question is: how do you approach designing Power Automate flows for orchestrating complex business processes involving multiple dependencies and conditional logic? Your answer should be breaking down the process into smaller, manageable steps utilizing control actions like switch and do until, and implementing conditional branching and parallel execution ensures effective orchestration of complex business processes in Power Automate flows. Our next interview question is: can you discuss the role of Power Platform integration with Microsoft Azure services, and how can Azure services enhance Power Platform solutions? Your answer should be integration with Azure services such as Azure Functions, Azure Logic Apps, and Azure Cognitive Services extends the capabilities of Power Platform solutions with custom code execution, advanced workflows, and AI capabilities, enabling enhanced automation, integration, and intelligence. Our next interview question is: how do you approach designing Power Apps components for reuse across multiple applications, and what are the benefits of component-based development? Your answer should be identifying common UI elements or functionalities, designing reusable components using Power Apps Component Framework (PCF), and publishing them to the component library enables reuse across multiple Power Apps applications. Component-based development improves consistency, efficiency, and maintainability of applications. Our next interview question is: what role does Microsoft Dataverse play in enabling low-code application development with Power Apps, and how does it simplify data management and integration? Your answer should be Microsoft Dataverse provides a secure and scalable data storage platform for Power Apps applications with built-in data validation, relationships, and business logic. It simplifies data management and integration by offering standardized data schemas, native integration with Power Platform components, and support for custom entities and workflows. Our next interview question is: how would you approach designing a Power Virtual Agents chatbot to handle natural language understanding (NLU) and user intent recognition effectively? Your answer should be designing intents, entities, and utterances based on user interactions and business requirements, training the chatbot using sample dialogues, and refining the language understanding model iteratively ensures accurate recognition of user intents and natural language understanding in Power Virtual Agents. Our next interview question is, can you discuss the options for extending Power Automate capabilities with custom connectors, and how would you approach developing and publishing custom connectors for integration with external systems? Your answer should be Power Automate allows for extending capabilities with custom connectors developed using Power Platform Connectors SDK or Azure API Management. Developing custom connectors involves defining endpoints, authentication methods, and actions, and publishing them to the Power Platform Connector marketplace for consumption. If you are preparing for any Microsoft based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.